Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping in today. Let's get down to the beef of it. As you can tell from my title, I ended up doing Stitch Fix again. Now, in a previous month, I did a video going over ThreadUp versus Stitch Fix and my first goodie box, and at the tail end of that video, I did discuss my pros and cons on Stitch Fix very briefly. I really focused a lot on ThreadUp. And I thought I would go ahead and share what my experience is with my second unintentional box. Yes, you heard me right, unintentional. It was not in my plan to do another Stitch Fix box, especially not another one quite so fast. But they caught me unawares, and I didn't expect that they were going to automatically charge me $20 for the stylist fee. And when I got charged for the stylist fee, it also kind of frustrated and upset me because this hit in the middle, or actually at the very start of what I was attempting to have as a no buy February. I mean, why not? It's the shortest month of the year. It started on a Monday. Seemed like a great day to make health changes. Seemed like a great day, a great month to make changes in health and budget, right? However, like I said, I got caught with the stylist fee and I couldn't find an easy way to just cancel out of it and justify to myself that it'd be a waste of money if I didn't at least get one clothing item for that stylist fee, because I'm pretty sure that's non-refundable. Now, I could just be being ignorant here, so if you know whether or not I could have canceled that stylist fee and got that money refunded back to my credit card, please do let me know. I'm a little bit new on this, and due to some other technical issues that I've run into that I will be making a video on later, maybe next month, I'm a little worn down with fighting for people for my money. Yeah, I've dealt with a little bit of a cell phone upgrade situation that I'll be recording more on later. So since I justified to myself that I needed to hang on to at least one item from Stitch Fix in order to justify the stylist cost, I went ahead and went with it, and I decided to get another box. Sorry, that's covering my mouth. I feel like they really missed the mark. Horribly this time. I very distinctly and specifically asked for certain items that I needed that would help me justify paying money on clothes during my no-buy month, thereby converting it to a low-buy month. And if you're curious about what a no-buy month means, there are tons of videos out here on YouTube that are very helpful and go over into that in detail. But yes, back to the Stitch Fix box. I added some very customized notes. I said, hey, here's the colors I'm into. I'm into lavender and silver. You know, this is what I'm feeling these days. Here's the patterns I'm feeling. I really want a pair of bell bottoms. Kind of goes with the whole roller skating retro theme, right? I got none of what I asked for at all. Not only did I get none of what I asked for, but the one item I'm debating keeping, the 100% silk top, is almost $86. It is ridiculously expensive. I know it's 100% silk, sha-na-na-na, but I feel like I could get a sleeveless top from Lily Silk for less than $80. Why is it that the one piece I want to hang on to is one of the most expensive pieces? My bell bottoms turned into wide leg pants with a really bold stripe. Sorry, I gotta switch hands here. I'm getting fatigued. Yeah. Black and white stripes to me dictate a very limited number of tops that I can actually wear them with. I feel like I can only wear them with black tops, white tops, blue tops, and red tops. And I don't really want to pair them with gray, and I wear a ton of gray clothing. Gray tops are my go-to staple. I don't even feel like it really goes with this. I don't feel like it goes with my lovely new lavender sweater. So, I'm bummed out. I feel like my voice was not heard, and everything is really expensive. And I never asked for shoes. I specifically said, hey, don't send me shoes. And get out of the way. we ended up getting shoes that don't fit me because they don't do wide width brands. I quit Stitch Fix. The Fix did not fix things. While you are tempting me with the allure of a gorgeous silk blouse, I would have been better off even going on a website like ASOS. Also, might I interject here and say, please give this video a like if you enjoy this type of review and experience sharing video. And if you do like it, maybe go ahead and subscribe, because I will continue to put out more shared experience videos, reviewing items, reviewing subscription boxes, all kinds of goodies. So thank you so much. Yeah, I'm giving this a thumbs down on the experience. It's so dang expensive. The one piece I want, over $100 for one piece. It's killing my heart. I used to go to Goodwill and Vintage Vogue, and unfortunately Vintage Vogue went bye-bye due to the whole 2020 and everything that surrounded it. It went under. I used to get beautiful Express and the loft tops and expensive tops for like $10. This is hurting me from the inside. So I think I'm just gonna cancel it. Both, if I use, like, obviously I'm really out of shape in my upper arm strength. If I use a service again, it might be to pick out my own items on ThreadUp, and I'm gonna probably drop Stitch Fix. I'm sorry guys, it's just, I feel like you aren't paying any attention to my requests, and the pieces are really expensive. And you hit me with a stylist fee 2 weeks ahead of the box even showing up in the first place. I can't do it. Well guys, that is my review. That's my 2 cents. That's a whole $1. Do with it what you may. I would love to hear your experience, your thoughts, your ideas, your concepts. Are you still with it? Are you liking it? Are the additional boxes later in the lineup going better? Are they not? Are you still running into the same issue? Let me know. I hope you're all well and happy, and I will see you in another video next time. Bye.